Today it is exactly 2 months later and this is my return. So as you guys see, 119.3% in return in only 2 months. How is this possible? Let's dive into some numbers. So as you now can see on my mobile, you can see the return, the live return, 119.3%. Realized P&L is $471 profit. If you remember the first video, you can see that we have now doubled our money from 400 to 831 with the max drawdown at 5.7% and a win ratio on 77%. The win ratio is not the most important because you can be super profitable with low win ratios. It all comes down to risk management. But as you can see, for the last 2 months, we have done 255 trades, which is pretty cool. You can see our biggest pair traded is gold. You can see some of the other pairs as well. So it's super transparent inside of the application. And you can also see that we had 2 trades that went over 400 points in profit, which is just wild. 4 on 50 and 3 on 100. So that's super cool to see. You can also of course go into the positions and see what has been up for the past trades and etc. And it's super interesting because when you go back to the profile and you see how everything works, it is 100% transparent. You can also go into the open positions and you can actually edit or close. I didn't show this in the last video. This is only for the people which trades themselves. But if you want, you can edit, you can close it earlier, you can close it later, you can change stuff if you really want to trade yourself. But this is just 100% passive. And again, this is not financial advice. This is just to document my copy trading journey. But still, you can do the exact same. It still works if you send the word copy to my Instagram, which I now have on screen at Tobias Vermund. I will definitely give you the same information as I did in the last video. But it's super simple because it's 100% free. It doesn't cost anything to start copy trading. It's no monthly subscription on the copy trading. It's only a performance fee, which means that whatever you make, you will pay a small percentage of that to the trader directly, which incentivizes them to make more money. In March this year, if the video is out, you will see it on top of the screen somewhere right now, but I will release one series which I will try to go to $10,000 while copy trading. I want to prove that it's possible to start with smaller amounts. Maybe I'll start that account with $1,000 or $3,000 or something like that, and I'll try to trade it up to $10,000 just to prove that everything is possible with copy trading. Because a lot of people are doing signal groups, you're copy pasting yourself, you're doing the risk management yourself and everything, but with copy trading it's 100% hands-free. It of course involves risk, Forex involves risk, trading involves risk, but for me, copy trading is what saves me the most time, and it's also what's the safest for me personally, because then I don't have to trade myself, and that can be human error because I'm not a professional trader myself. With that being said, if you want to do the exact same, if you want to do copy trading just like me, let's talk on Instagram. You can see my Instagram now on screen. And if you don't have any questions, you just want to know how to get started, send me the word copy on Instagram and I will show you how I do my copy trading personally.